Qigong by the river. Float the head. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the soles of the bottom of the feet. Inhale, raise. Exhale, sink. Starting at the top of your head, try to feel your scalp. Relax your scalp. Relax your forehead. Soften all the muscles of your face. Let the mouth hang open slightly so that your teeth are not clenched. Relax the muscles on the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders. Relax your throat. Soften your chest muscles. Release tension in your stomach and hips and all the muscles of your back, especially the lower back. Breathing in, float the head. Breathing out, sink. Relax the hips, glutes, quads, thighs, calves. Breathing in, float the head. Breathing out. We're going to be doing lifting the sky. Fingertips point toward each other like we're pressing down. Inhale up and press. Exhale down. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Inhale up. Exhale out. Let your hands float by and relax. Continue to release any tension. Allow the stress just to roll right off. Relax. Soften. Come back to your center and just enjoy the stillness. And then when you're ready, rub your hands together briskly. Generate heat. Place your palms over your eyes. Blink open your eyes. Blink, blink, blink. Allow more light to come in. Pat, pat, pat. Even more light. Dry wash the face. Sigh of relief. Have a nice day.